Been in these streets so long, the streets are all I know. Swear that I came so far, made it so far from broke. When you get fame, some people gon' hate ya. Some people get fame and turn ungrateful.
Y'all, it's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE here with another video for you guys, man. It's an exciting day for me. It's the first time I get to take novocaine out to the track. I'm here at Extreme Raceway. It's the 8th mile. We're gonna do also quarter miles, but we're gonna get used to it to see exactly what's going on. We got the novocaine here in the building, and she is doing what she needs to do. We got the thing over there. Look at that, buddy. But right now we got novocaine over here. I'm about to get it situated and get it learned out to see exactly what we're gonna do to get this car rolling. And first I'm gonna do some hits on it without the nitrous oxide. Then I'm gonna do some hits with the nitrous oxide as I get used to the car and see exactly what I can get used to. I don't know the car very well, so getting to learn the car is very, very important. And that's the first thing I'm gonna do is get the car down from the trailer, get the air pressures right, get everything situated, then allow me to do some hits without nitrous and then turn on the knobs and see what we can do, y'all. Stay tuned to this video and we get on with novocaine. All right, crew, so we're here at Extreme. As you can see, man, we got some people here having a good time with us and just do what we gotta do. We got Mr. Bonsai Runner, aka known as my father. We got this HELLCAT. Where you going, brother? You all can talk to the camera. The only thing that's wrong with him today is that Cowboys outfit he has on, but everything else should be good. What you gotta say to the camera today, man?
Let's get it.
Let's get it. We're gonna try the novocaine today. We got the people here from our church, man. There's a guy here from PR, no speaking English, no speaking Spanish, but we are here. What you want to tell the camera today?
Okay,
Todo bien, everything, you know, todo bien means y'all, so todo bien means everything's okay, man. Everything's okay. You todo bien? Todo bien? Todo bien? Todo más o menos. What does todo más o menos mean? But y'all, we're about to get the car out here. I'm waiting for my son to come here and give me the setup for the my air compressor, get my air in my tires and go do a test hit. Get used to the novocaine if we get busy with her today and see what we can pull out of her, man. See what the good timing we can do. Get used to the car, the pulling, the buttons. There's a lot of stuff with novocaine that I gotta walk you guys through. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff with novocaine today that y'all have not done. So she is a full roll cage car. She got racing seats. She has a power glide transmission, a nitrous kit, obviously. So this here is gonna be my trans brake. And then we have two buttons here. One is for knobs, and one's gonna be for the what we call here the line lock. This line locks the wheels, so we could do burnouts, and this should be the knobs once I turn this bad boy on here. So that's kind of what we're dealing with the novocaine right now. And outside she has an emergency switch, so we can cut off the power. Now the full car is completely dead. So this is the novocaine. I want you to meet her very well. We're gonna get it situated, get it going, and see if we can get to enjoy some time on the track and enjoy ourselves. Hopefully God protects us because we do what we do here. But stay tuned so we continue. So right now I'm setting up the tire pressure of the vehicle, getting everything situated. I got the backs done. I'm doing the front right now to test everything to get a hopefully a successful run and get used to the novocaine if we go down this track here today. But I'll stay tuned with y'all. We hit the first run.
Getting ready. Final preparations. You ready, Jeff?
Nervous, but I'm ready. I gotta do a burnout on this car yet. That's the funny part, but we're about to figure it all out now. So I'm gonna take the novocaine down and try to get used to it. I'm nervous. I've never driven a car like this with all these buttons, but we're gonna see what happens, y'all. Cruise. So we've done a couple passes. We've done 3 passes in the car, trying to get used to the car. We gave the last one NOS after the takeoff. It's a big difference. You really feel it. Now I'm gonna let the car cool down, and I'm gonna try to take off from the light with the NOS. It's gonna be a very, very scary experience, but we're gonna do what we have to do just to handle it and have fun, y'all. So stay tuned. Fox, my son, man, I'm gonna take a quick break, give the car a break, man. But Audio Fox is going right now against the Mustang. I called him out. Let's see what happens here. Audio Fox in the left lane. Let's see what happens here. Stakey first lane. So we're gonna go have some fun. Isaac in the left lane. Isaac took the win on that one, y'all. That's a good run. So now we're gonna go see who gets to Nova.
Been good too.
So at this point in time, we have finished the day, man. We've had a couple of great successes. We dropped the car messing with the car today. We were able to drop over a second in time. Just getting to learn the car today, more than a second of time, is a great accomplishment for a car that we just learned. We got some more tweaking to do to it. As far as the suspension work, I loved it. The car felt solid. I didn't feel nothing out of control. Everything was on that part. There's a couple of things that are finicky with the car, but we're definitely gonna figure it out. It came to the right house. I'm an electrician. We got my boy here, AKA Freddy. He's an electrician. He was out here. Look at the chain, y'all. This boy look like he could about pull my car with that chain, man. But long story short, he was able to diagnose. Yes, sir.
But you gotta make sure you gotta run the record. Remember, the vet is waiting.
Oh.
Okay,
All right, well, we can run it without NOS and go with the vet with you. But
I want no excuse.
I thought, how you gonna go against the Chevy with a Chevy now? What's up with that? First it was against the Dodge, and now you're going against the Chevy.
Well, the Nova has to learn how to respect.
The Nova needs to respect? You better, boy.
Gotta
Listen,
respect
man.
the
It says the man who won't go down the track.
Respect the
Oh, it says the man who won't go down the track. But this is this beautiful family they got from Puerto Rico. ¿Qué tiempo llegan por aquí? A little bit over a year, man, because they don't really talk too much of English, but they will get it, man. These are Puerto Rico. These are my people. This is my people from my island, man. Then we got the Destroyer Cat with us today, giving us love and support. We got Bonsai Runner, always talking that smack that y'all see in this camera. We got Mrs. Audio Cat, and of course we got Jackie. Jackie, what's your name? What's up, y'all? That's what I'm talking about, y'all. But long story short, man, we're gonna be getting out of here today. We've had a beautiful day. Like I said, we've had some accomplishments. We've had some downfalls. It's all part of learning. It's like my Audio Cat. I know it from beginning to end. I've owned it for 5 years. We're gonna go rock on this one, man. But we'll see y'all tune the track, man. We're gonna be having a great time. Y'all be good. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to have a positive year in 2021. And remember, the only limits that you're gonna set are the ones that you set yourself. Y'all be good and God bless.